Hey, good morning guys. It's a Saturday morning, so let's do a quick update video. Okay, so just a bit of a quick update today, just 3 things that I wanted to share with you. Number 1, I just wanted to clear up, you may have seen my video that I did, a bit of a tongue-in-cheek called The Apology. If you've not seen it yet, it'll just pop up in the corner just here, you can watch that. Basically, some of you thought it was a serious video. It wasn't. So the guy that I was in response to, we're still in communication, we've had messages back and forward. It's all a bit of a laugh. I am going to be redoing, I'm going to put off the trim off of that A-pillar and I'm going to do it properly. I'm going to sand it down. Number 2, I wanted to let you know about a little website that my friends have just brought out. You may remember a little while back, the video will pop up in the corner, I went and did a road trip when I got my interior units done on the T5. I went up and visited Northern Rose Campervan Conversions. Those guys have got a brand new website which is just here. I'm not being paid to promote these guys, I just love them. I think they did a great job on my van, really happy with it. Particularly if you're looking for really good quality units at a really affordable price, check these guys out. Seriously, they're awesome. Plus, they've now got CNC machining, so it's not all cut by hand, it's cut by a machine. And I believe that they actually make their own furniture board now as well, lightweight furniture board. Number 3, I want to tell you about what's happening with the van. I've got something super exciting, really excited about this. On, I think it's the 19th of February, so literally only a couple of weeks, I'm going to go and visit Luke Brabants down in Sussex. You can check him out on his website. You can see here, I've mentioned this in the previous video, but it's happening almost now, so I'm just sort of doing a bit of prep work on the van, getting the bodywork ready. LukeBrabants.com, www.lukebrabants.com. He's an awesome artist, he's got mad skills, he's basically doing something crazy on it, and I've got a little mock-up draft that I can show you now. Luke's asked me to say, look, this is just a very rough mock-up. Initially, I'd asked Luke if he would do like a Star Wars kind of theme on the van, but after a couple of weeks I wasn't really feeling it, and so I contacted him back and said, look, could you do me a mock-up along this sort of lines? And he came back with a few different suggestions, and this one I'm so excited about. Check this out. Ooh-hoo-hoo. And now, I don't know about you, that looks really different. I don't see many vans driving around looking like that. It's a bit hipstery, it's 80s styly. I just think, oh, it's gonna look fresh. Within a month, I'll have a video out. There'll be like all like the review of like a road trip to go and visit Luke. Maybe a bit of an interview if we've got a bit of time. Then maybe a bit of time lapse of him actually working on the van. So I'm so excited about that. The van is getting pimped up, seriously, and it's gonna look amazing. I've got some more videos that I'm hoping to get done over the next week or so. Maybe a little bit of the bodywork, trying to do some fiberglass repairs, working on a bit of rust, redoing that A-pillar for Mr. Watton. That'd be great. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I love the GW TV community. I love when you guys are posting up and commenting up on things. It's loads and loads of fun. Statistically, about 85% of you aren't actually subscribed to the channel. So if you're not, if you want to click the subscribe button, that really does help support what we're doing. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.